Hello guys, we're back to more videos, and today we're going to play longest obby. So anyways guys, if you wanna see more videos on our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, that is good. That is easy obby guys. So anyways guys, I'm not going to click obby. There is the button again. So we're going to just thing. So anyways guys, if you wanna see more videos on our channel, subscribe to my subscribe to our channel. So please subscribe, okay? I'm gonna play. We're going to play. So I'm gonna get 14 years old, I guess. Allowed to play this. Okay, so anyways guys, getting deeper for my voice. So now I'm going to get super slow. Oh my goodness. With hard mode. Oh, it's easy. Come on. We should now go to do this guys. So anyways guys, I'm now going to beat this game. Wait for me, Goblin! And then I'm going to press the button. That's good guys. So anyways guys, wait, hold on. Turn on. Higher than the volume. Okay guys, so anyways guys, we're back in a period. Oh my god. What the heck? What just happened? Come on, let me in. No, come on. Who like world do you like no. I don't know. Hey, wait for me. Damn. How? Don't. Wait for me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it will take so long. Okay. Okay, let me just lay down for a second. Okay. Anyways guys, that is easy. The medium of the other. So my brother told me now next is going to this go for it guys. Anyways guys, we're now going to slide. Going to slide there, okay. So we're gonna make 1 hour. I don't know. I'm gonna make 15 minutes, I guess. I don't know. We should go. We're gonna make a long video, okay? So that is good. That is good at obby. Okay. So anyways guys, that is good. Obby. Oh no. That's good at obby guys. I'm gonna wait for you, Goblin. So anyways guys, I'm now going to wait for Goblin guys. So anyways guys, that is good. Please comment me if you want guys. So please comment me if you want. I will get 1,000 subs. 1,000 subs. 1K subs. So anyways guys, I'm going to keep jumping once again. So here's that girl was jumping very naughty. But here is guys. So anyways guys, we're back to more videos. Okay guys, so anyways guys, I'm now going to climb the ladder. So the blue and red and yellow, green, purple, I don't know colors. White. Okay, this could be the Rainbow Friends, I think. The Rainbow Friends, I think, is 2022 and 2023. I think she remember it like this. Okay. Oh my gosh. No, please. I wanna be. Oh, it's easy. It's easy, guys. So, anyways, guys, that is easy mode, guys. That is easy, guys. So, we're going to be in easy mode, guys. Okay, that's a word. Oh my god, that's a word. Stage, that's a word. Okay, so, anyways, guys. I like guys. Yes, I like this guy. What the heck? Oh, they gave me speed. Boom. Yellow. Uh-oh. Come on. Oh, yes. Oh no. Easy. Haha. Wait, where are you? Hey, wait for me. Wait for me. What cut, huh? Do not fall. If I fall, then I'm going to skip my video, okay? So anyways, guys. Oh, I'm gonna wait for you guys. So anyways, guys, I'm going to wait for Goblin, guys. So he's so good and just good at videos. That is good. Oh no. Oh my goodness. It will take too long. It will take a minute. Okay, so anyways, guys, I wanna just keep more on jumping. That is parkour. Guys. Oh my god, my heart is paining. I don't know. My heart is really paining. Oh, it's easy. I'm going to wait for you guys. So, now guys, I'm not going to wait Goblin. He's so smart. He's a bit smart. Then the other person I don't is smart. I am a bit smart. Yes. I'm gonna wait for you guys. Wait. Guys, if you want to see that, please share and like and subscribe. And also comment me if you want, guys. So, I'm gonna wait for Goblin, guys. Come on, Goblin. We should able to do this. Come on. Go. Come on, Goblin. Come on. Oh my goodness. You know what? That's it. I'm going to skip it, guys. So, anyways, guys, I will be back soon. Okay, guys. Okay. He will do this. Come on. Yes, guys. He made it, guys. So he made it, guys. So anyways, guys, he's so easy. I like easy mode. So I don't want to go to hard mode because it's difficult to see. It's difficult to just parkour it. So it's so easy, guys. So I got first reward. Only got stage 4 reward, okay? So anyways, guys, that's that. It's just stage skill. I think we're just gonna be lipstick. I think there is. So anyways, guys, that is lipstick. Oh my god, what just happened? I think it's easy. I think it's easy. Only got 31. No, I'm going to go there. Let's go there. Okay, Goblin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop it. Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Do not fall. If don't fall. Don't fall. Oh my god, stop. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh my goodness. I'm supposed to fall. I keep falling. Don't make it run away. Okay. Make a run away. Run away. Don't make a wrong way. Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys, that is good idea. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to just skip do this for a second, but it's just a banana. What's that? Rainbow dash? Rainbow dash, I think. Okay. It's not a planet. Oh, it's not a planet. No. It's not a forest. Okay. Do not take me to pyramids. Because of you, you and my day. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna wait for you guys. So anyways guys, my brother waiting outside there. So anyways guys, I'm going to wait for my brother guys. So peace out. I'm going to wait for the other. So I'm going to just wait. Okay, goodbye. No. Come on. Yes. Be careful. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, it's easy. Come on, go. Oh my goodness. Come on, it will take so long. Okay, only got 39. We'll try get 200. Okay guys, I will be back soon with my brother. Okay guys. It will take so long. Okay guys, so no stress. Where's the cactus? Can I touch? Nah, I can't touch it because they touch the laser I think because it's cause damage. It cause damage I think. I think it's cause damage with the thing. I don't know. I don't wanna be part of it. Here's the girl was waiting there because of this thing because I don't like her I guess. I'm going to. It's so easy, guys. Oh, what the heck? Shut up. Oh, it's an egg. It's an egg. I want to eat egg, guys. This could be my breakfast, okay, guys. So, anyways, guys, I just eat the breakfast. I'm gonna eat breakfast, eat egg. Wait for me. No, I don't like it. Wait for me. Wait for me. Oh, this is easy. Oh my goodness. Wait, it's easy. Be careful. Oh my goodness. Come on, I'm going to wait for you guys. I gotta wait for you guys. Come on. Oh my goodness. She made it. Okay, she made it, guys. So, anyways, guys, she made it, guys. I like this game. I like this game for a while, guys. So, I like this game for a while because of this game. Because I need to just jump. Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys, that is good, I guess. Okay, next. Oh my goodness. No, please. Okay, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, guys. That is good. This will be my family, guys. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. It's difficult. It's not difficult. It's not difficult. See, it's easy. It's easy, I guess. Yes! Guys, we made it. Guys, I said we made it. I said wait. Oh my goodness. You eating me. You eat me, Huggy Wuggy, huh? Wait. I should not. Oh my goodness. Wait for me. Hey. Okay, goblin. Touch the checkpoint. Oh my goodness. It's easy. Da-da-da. Oh my goodness. Can I touch it? I didn't even die. I didn't even touch this earlier. Okay, so hello guys. I didn't even touch earlier. Yes. Okay. Come on, goblin. We should able to do this. Come on. I wanna eat. Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys, so that is easy thing. The noobs are eating me. That's okay. It's eating me my breakfast, guys. So, anyways, guys, it is eating my breakfast. Oh my goodness. Oh no, it's too hard. No, help. Oh no, help. It's too hard. It's too hard. It's too difficult. The raft. Oh my god. It's easy. Oh, go, come on. No! No! Oh my goodness! Come on! No! Bro, it's so hard. What is that? What's that? It's just rolling me. Okay. No, I can't buy. No. No. I can't buy. No. Stop it. Okay. Okay, I only got 56. Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys. That is good. Easy mode, guys. Guys, we're back. We made it, guys. Guys, that is good, guys. Okay. That is good. Let's go! What the heck? What just happened? Okay. Did the ref just collapse? Okay. Only got checkpoints. Okay, that is good idea. I don't want to touch it because I did have it touched earlier. Don't touch it. Do not touch it. Oh my goodness. What the heck? Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. They just flew into it. I just jumped very, very high. Oh my goodness, guys. So, this could be the trampoline. I think trampoline. Trampoline. Trampolines, huh? Trampolines is the good idea ever. That is good idea, guys. What's that? Is that a bee? They kind of look like BBs. Looks like BBs. I'm gonna wait for you guys. I'll go. Come on. You're taking so long. Come on. Come on, touch the sequence and go. Behind. Behind. Okay, behind. What the heck? What just happened? There's an ad. There's an ad there. Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys. Nice, good. Okay, we need to 100 stage. We need 100 stage. I like easy, not hard. Not hard, and I like easy. Come on, Goblin. We should go now minute, guys. Okay, star. Okay, come on, go, 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 go. Please go. Moon, moon. Oh my god. Star. Moon. Okay. Oh my gosh, my snake, huh? Why? Why the snake is? Why? I didn't even move. I'm going to wait for you guys. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm going to wait for you guys. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm going to go. Okay, just on. It kind of looks like Rarity again. Rarity. Oh, but also, it's Rarity. We remember because of you, because of you, because I'm going to be the guys. What the heck? Is that breakfast? Can I eat it? Oh, no, 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 no. There's the green and also the meat. There's meat and also the green. And that is salad. Olvia salad, I guess. She said Olvia salad. I think it look like my mom, I guess. Wait for me. Joking. I'm gonna wait for you guys. Come on, go over here. I'm gonna wait for you. Come on. Oh my goodness. Chevely. Always do that. You keep on just. Oh, wait for me. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, it's done. It's a castle. Guys, it's a castle, I think. Okay, guys. So I just watched in a very long time in Ben and Holly. It was very a long time ago because it's 2022. It kind of sucks. If I just in 2022, I just watch. I like to watch the thing of the Ben and Holly. And in 2023, it sucks for that day. It sucks that I just watch this. I don't like this thing because it made me bored. Okay, let's wait. Okay, 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 go, go, go. Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys, my brother is just waiting for me. My brother will gonna wait for me. I don't know. You're so smart. Okay, let's wait. Okay. Yes, I'm a bit smart too. Ah, come on. Okay. Oh my goodness. Smiley face, huh? Oh my goodness. It's so easy. I'm so easy. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Ha ha. I'm gonna wait for you guys. I'm gonna wait for you. Come on, Goblin. Come on, Goblin. Mama Blue? Huh? Mama Blue? What's that? Is that eagle? Is that eagle one, huh? It's just a Ben Unholy, I guess. In old show, I think. Never sucks. It's it kind of sucks about it. I hate this show. Wait, oh my gosh. What the heck? Difficult? I'm not difficult. Okay. Huh? Yes, I know. Okay, I will be just be careful. Okay. Don't leave. Wait for me. I said wait for me. Or else. Wait for me, please. Wait for me. Wait for me. Yes, we're going to beat this game because of Pro Call a while, guys. Yes, guys. I like this game for a while, guys. Okay. What's that? It's a car? What the heck? What the heck? Karma? A karma? Huh? Go. Obvious. She likes obvious salad and work for dad, I think. Sandwich work for dad. Oh! I like this! It's so smart! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my god, go, 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 go! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! It's so easy! Come on, trust me! It's so easy! Oh my gosh! Go, 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 go! What? Why? Why? Oh my goodness! No! Oh my goodness! No! Oh my goodness! Wait for me! Wait for me! Oh, okay. Oh my goodness! It's so easy! Come on! I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna. Come on! I need to beat this game. Come on! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It made me dizzy. Do not! Do not! Oh my goodness! Come on! Oh my goodness! Do not! Huh? It's donut! It's for the donut! Song, it's silly, it's funny. The only one who lives to see me singing. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's gonna be snowing for Christmas. Okay, that is good. Oh my goodness, see, wait for me. Go. Yes, I'm not going to play, guys. I'm not going to play. The longest hobby in the world. Those sandwiches work for that. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, we'll almost made it, guys. I'm gonna wait for you. Okay, I'm gonna wait for you. Come on! You're taking so long, or else. Oh, really? I hate this game. Come on! Are you dumb? Ah! So it's just obstacle thing. The blocks will gonna move the thing. The move of Obi. Moving of Obi. Oh my goodness! Let's do that. Come on! I will just wait for you. Okay. You made it. You made it. Okay, guys. She made it. Goblin made it. Okay. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna make a long video. I wanted to just beat this game. Because it's easy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Come on, I'm gonna wait for you. Goblin, I'm gonna wait for you. Come on. Oh my goodness. It will take so long. Okay. Okay, guys. Alright, hold on. Oh my goodness. My armpit hurts. It's okay. No, do not push me. Rest. Utopi. Origami? What's origami? It will be a funny video. I'm a female. I am a male. I'm female, I guess. Male or female? Number first is yeah, guys. So I know guys. I like this game for a while, guys. I like this. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's research this thing. Oh my goodness. Help! Oh my god. I'm gonna get lagging. Come on! It will take so long. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wait, hold on. Oh, just stop it. Come on, it will take so long. Come on, go! Oh, come on. Come on, Goblin. We should do this. Yeah. Oh my god. Come on. Oh my goodness. It's so hard. I like easy. I want easy mode. It will take so long since we're gonna get this. Oh, huh? Yes, 99, 100, whatever. Only got 500 videos, guys. Come on, go, go. Yes. Oh my goodness, I'm so gone. Wait for me. What? Did my brother just die? What the heck? Where are you? No, I'm going to wait for it. I'm gonna wait for him, okay? Come on. You should do this. Come on. Okay. My brother just speedrun this. I'm going to speedrun again. I'm gonna speedrun again. So, anyways, guys, I like this game for a while. I like this game. So please comment me if you want this. Okay, that's good. Wait for me. Stop pushing me. Oh my goodness! You just jumped me. Fire. Then it looks like. Just have it. Oh my god. Grab pack, huh? It kinda looks like grab pack, I think. Please. Right, my armpit looks stink. Please. Oh! Sushi! 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 I'm gonna go. Okay, guys. I'm gonna wait for him, guys. Okay? Okay. He's still not coming. Yes. Oh, yes. It's easy, guys. It's easy, guys. I like this game. Don't be difficult. I hate this game for three for 300 hours. I don't know. For 300 this time. I'm so bored. Bro, I'm going to wait for him. Okay. Come on. We should do this. Come on. You should do this. No. Do not fall. Do not fall. They're gonna lose my mind. Okay. Plus minus multiplication. Oh my goodness. This one square, square. Okay guys, so anyways guys, I like 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay guys, that's good. I like this game for a while guys. I like this game. Do not fall or Olympics of circle, I guess. So anyways guys, Olympics. Oh, easy, easy guys. Come on, we should go easy. Who's the easiest game in the world guys? Easy mode or hard mode? Let me know in the comment section that is mode. Okay? No hard, no, I like easy. No hard and no difficult, okay? Oh my goodness, it's just so hard. Oh, no! No, it's so hard. No. No! Oh, I'm going to go pee. Okay. Oh no, it's gonna be easy. No! No! Yes! I'm gonna wait for him, okay? Okay, there he is. Come on! There he is. Oh, what's that? This is blood vessels, huh? I like this. I like this thing. Oh my goodness, it will take so hard. Okay. It's easy! Oh my goodness. How many players? Yes? There's in thousand, I think. How many players? Oh my goodness. And for me, I'm gonna beat this game. Okay, guys. Only we're gonna get 199. I also 200. What the heck? What just happened, huh? Oh, wait for me, Goblin, huh? Goblin, oh. Wait, I should just do like this. Oh, no! I should do like this, okay. There, oh my goodness, I'm so dumb. I don't want to touch it. See guys, I didn't even touch it earlier, guys. Nah, stop it. Stop doing that. I'm gonna wait for him, okay? Come on. Yes. You go. Oh my god. Stop it. No. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. What happened? What happened to you? Okay guys, I made it guys. Now let's do it. What the heck? Do not fall or else I wanna be part of this fucking. Oh my goodness. So hard. Oh my goodness. Give me easy mode. Oh my goodness, it's so easy. Easy mode. Ever. Where? Heck no. Oh my goodness. Do not fall. If I fall, then I'm gonna get screwed. I'm screwed. Yes! Good job, Goblin! Brown, black. Okay, brown, black. Red, outline. Blue. White. Red. Ah! Okay, yes. Red, blue. Oh my goodness. Red, I don't know. Oh my goodness. What the heck? Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Yes, we made it. What the heck? Mama Blue. Look at him. He's so realistic ever. Realistic ever. I don't like this. Okay, I'm gonna wait for you, okay? I'm gonna wait for him, okay? Guys, so I know guys speak. We'll just speak out. Okay, my brother just I don't know. Yes. It's so easy. Oh my god. Oh! What the heck? What's wrong with this game? How? Oh my god, you always troll me. They always troll it. I know. Please don't be hard mode. Oh my goodness, it's so hard. Oh my god. It's so hard. Okay. Oh, it's easy. Oh, sorry. I'm a bit easy. Come on, go, go, go. Oh, yes. Ha ha. I'll beat this game for a while, guys. I will just beat this game, guys. Okay. We got 123, I guess. Okay. Come on, go. Come on. Yes, I'm so dumb and I'm so short. Right. Okay. That's good, guys. I like this realistic game. Well, you gonna do it, huh? Come on. I said, oh, I'm going to. I gotta wait for him, okay? Okay, come on. You're smart, come on. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, oh my goodness. It's so good! Oh no. I don't want to touch the laser beam. See? I didn't even touch the laser beam, I guess. Oh! Oh! Yes! I'm going to wait for him, okay? Come on. You can do this. Come on! Oh my goodness. Just do like it. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna wait for him, okay guys? So anyways guys, I'm going to wait for him. Come on, you should do this. Okay. Oh. But I'm lagging. I'm gonna get lagging. Okay. Papi pwede yung time, Obi. Okay. How about papi pwede yung utot? I did know. This difficult. Oh, it's a hammer. And also a nail. A nail and a hammer. Okay guys. Oh my goodness. What's that? A frying pan? With an egg? Can I eat? What the heck? What the heck did I just try this? Don't touch the egg. Why? Oh my goodness. How? Don't touch the egg. What? I touched the egg. Oh! How? Oh, I should do it like this. Oh, I should not dying. Oh my goodness. It's gonna take so long. It's so good. A, B, C. Oh my goodness. C. C. Okay, guys. Ab. Abku. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna wait. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. I don't know. Come on. Okay. There, you almost made it. Okay, guys. So he made it, guys. He made it closely. Very much. Do not fall. You're so smart. Okay. I'm going to wait for him. Come on. Come on. You can do this. You can do it. You can do it, Goblin. Come happy. Hold on. Hold on. Huh? How? You pull? How? Impossible. How? Maybe. Easy. Yes. Okay, I'm going to wait for him. Okay, that is easy. Oh my god, it's so close. Come on, he will do this. Come on. Go jump. Yes, he made it, guys. He made it. No, do not follow me, or else. Yes. I'm gonna wait for him. Okay, guys. So anyways, guys, I'm going to wait for him, guys. Oh, also, guys, why there's a obby there? Obstacles there. I'm going to make a slide there. Also, there's. She will get a car soon. I just sleep in Adi's house, guys. I sleep in Adi's house. Okay, so anyways, guys, I'm going to wait for it. Wait for him. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Come on! Woo! Okay. They will go to this thing. Oh my goodness! Oh! Oh my goodness! Okay. Come on, I'm going to wait for him. Okay. Clear the airplane. Flying time is ticking. Go. Okay. I don't want to touch it. Do not. Do not touch it. See, I didn't even touch it. It's so smart. Oh my god. I'm a bit smart, guys. I'm a bit smart, guys. So anyways, guys, I like this game for a while. Oh my god, what the heck? Is that a hole? Okay, I'm gonna know it's Pantaba Pound 40 stage award. Pantuna ku taku 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 haku katsu kaku 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 babu kaku babu. Okay, guys, so That's good. I speak Spanish. English or Spanish? Okay. English? Oh my god. English or Japanese? Okay. Go, 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 go. Well, come on. Well, come on, come on. Well, come on. Come on. Okay, able to do this? Yes. Go wait for him, okay? Come on. 30 minutes ago. I was sick of this game. Okay, I know now. What the heck? Easy. It's easy, guys. What the heck? I think it's easy, remember? What the? Wait for me! Hey! Wait for me! Okay. Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Okay, that's good. Come on, gotta wait for you. Ah! Oh my god, stop it. Okay, guys. Oh! Oh! I should kick it. I should kick it in the bat is it. Oh, what the heck? What just happened, guys? Stop! Stop it, stop it, stop it. Oh my goodness, we keep on falling. What the heck? Bro, if I do this, they just crap. They just punch into a bat, I guess. They just crash into the bat is. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. Come on, Gabby. Oh my god. No, I'm going to wait for him. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wait for him. Come on. He will do this. Oh, wait, I should do. If you do like this and like this. Oh my goodness. Like this, okay? Ah, come on. You will do this. Come on. I'm believing you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. It's so easy. I'm gonna help for him. I'm gonna wait for him. Okay. Come on. Go. Oh my goodness. Ah. Oh, is he doing it? He's doing it. He's doing it. I'm doing it. Worm. Why? Let's go. Ooh. Oh, what's that? Entrance, huh? Entrance for a worm. What the heck, man? What's a Sigma? Oh my! How? How I should do this or what this? Okay, I'm gonna go there. Wait for me! Oh wait, where are you? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, you're so dumb. Oh my goodness. Yes, it's McDonald's, huh? McDonald's. Oh, Spider-Man, come on! I'm believing you. I'm believing you. Come on! You should do this. Okay. Come on. Come on. Uh-huh. You're good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so easy. It's so easy. Come on, Goblin. I'm believing you. Why? I'm not stupid. You're stupid. Are you? Yummy. Delicious. What the heck? Is that watermelon? Yummy. It's my ice now. Ice cream. Hey! Stop it! There's dirt on it, huh? Wait. I didn't even touch it. Okay. Look on me. Oh my god. Earlier that enemy. Okay guys. Do not. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Stop. I'm stuck. Stop. Wait for me. Wait for me. Come on. Wait for me. A big new update in this game, guys. A big new update. Come on. We should do this. Come on. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Is that cell phone? Oh my goodness. What's that? It's a telephone, huh? Telephone. I'm so smart. I'm so good. Okay, I'm going to. Do this. Come on. Oh, yeah. It will take a funny video ever. Oh, do this. He made it. He made it. He's doing it. See? No, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Huh? What the heck? What just happened? Oh, I'm lagging. Wait for me. Oh my god, I hate this game. Wait for me. Please. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so easy. Easy. I think it's easy. It's gonna be a medium, I guess. See, it's not hard. It's easy. Oh my god. My life is good. My life is pretty Roblox. I like Roblox. Roblox is Roblox. Yeah. Come on. Okay, on, I'm believing you. Oh my goodness, yes. He made it. He made it pass away. He passed away. No, joking. No. Yes. No. No, joking. Joking. I'm gonna wait for you. I'm going to wait for him, okay? Oh. I wait. You're dead. I'm joking. No, please, stop it. You're dead, joking. Stop it. Stop. Stop doing that. You're dead. No. Stop it. I didn't even... You have a question here. Joking. Oh my god. No, you're dead. You're dead. Joking. Joking. No. Don't. You're dead. Joking. Stop it, please. You look like a baby. Bye. Yes. Oh my. You're a Google Gaga, huh? You kind of look like... My goodness. Oh, no. Come on. Oh my god. Wait for me. Don't die. Don't die, come on. Okay, so anyways guys, I'll did it guys. So anyways guys, that is good. Good obby. That is good obby, not bad obby. I like this obby. I like this game. I like this obby, I guess. What the heck? What has happened? Did they change? I guess I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, always clicking it. Okay guys, so anyways guys, and I'm going to just do this. And then I just keep jumping to my second. So I wanted to keep jumping to my second. Looks like a kangaroo. Okay, looks like kangaroo, guys. The guy looks like kangaroo. Okay, and I'm gonna wait for him. Okay, he almost do this. Yes. He made it. Don't fall. Don't push me. So easy. I like easy mode, huh? Do not fall or else. Do not fall me. Okay, guys. So anyways, guys, I made it, guys. So anyways, guys, what's that? Is that a beach? I don't know what it is. Yeah, looks like a beach, I guess. We're going in a beach. What's that? Better word? I don't know what it is. Oh, we're going in a beach. Beach is where? Okay, what's that? Is that a tree? I think it's a tree, I guess. Wait for me! Wait for me! I said wait for me! I said I wanted to wait for me. You wanted to wait for me. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, ma! Yes, boy. E. Oh my goodness. Yes, I'm an E. I'm an E person. I'm an E person. Okay. I'm gonna just I wanna be a YouTuber. I wanna be a YouTuber, guys. How can I be? I wanna be a YouTuber. I'm gonna continue just uploading more and more videos, guys. I like this game. I like this game for a while. Come on. I'm believing you. There. Okay, guys. Oh, what the heck happened? Yo, how? Stop doing that. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. What the hell? What the hell? I don't know. Oh my goodness. It's so easy. I'm gonna wait for him. Oh my god. Come on. Oh, it's easy. Where is the entrance go? Do not fall or else. Oh! Oh my goodness. Yo! Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm gonna wait for him, okay? Come on. Come on, I'm believing you.
You believe in me?
Yes. Yes, I love you. I love you, babe. Joking. Come on, I'm believing you. Come on. I like you. And I love you, babe. Joking. Oh! Oh my gosh. I'm gonna wait for him, okay? I'm believing him. Oh, here's him. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is wrong with him? Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys, I like this game for a while, guys. So, anyways, guys, gonna keep more and more jumping much again. So, anyways, guys, it's been here for 59 minutes. So, I'm gonna just beat this game, guys. Let's go. Come on, God. Oh my goodness. You take it so long, huh? I'm believing you. Oh my god. I like this game, guys. I like this game for a while, guys. So, what's that? Is that? Oh, it's PG Pagapillar! Oh no, brother! It's PG Pagapillar, guys. So, anyways, I'm going to get more jumping because. What's that? Is that a caterpillar? Look at me. Oh my god, stop it. Oh my god, they jump very high. What the heck? I keep on more jumping! Stop it. Oh my god, stop it. No. Oh, yes! Why does caterpillar look jumping? They keep on jumping on me. They kind of look like Balsalina. I don't know what to call this. Kaya looks like trampoline. Trampoline. Oh, it's a birthday cake for my dad. For my dad in February. Alright, February 20, I guess. Okay, guys, we're going to touch it. Oh, I don't want to touch it. You touch it, huh? Okay. Wait. I'm gonna wait for you. I'm gonna wait for him, okay? Ah, okay. Hi, I love you. Ah. Oh. Okay, he just almost made it. That's good idea, guys. Anyway, okay, guys. Anyways, guys, I like this game. Oh my gosh, it's difficult. Come on. Oh my gosh. No, I'm going to. Come on. I'm gonna wait until this thing. Come on. Do not fall! Don't. Don't you ever fall. Don't you ever fall, okay? Oh. Oh! Oh! No! No, stop it. Oh my goodness, it's been here for 41 minutes. I hate this. No. Okay. No! Oh my goodness, it's been here for a very long time. Oh! Do not jump for a high. Lord! Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. I like this game. But it's a bit hard. No! Stop! You're a bee. You're a bee now. Yes. I don't know. You're a bee. The guy looks like you. Buzz. Okay. Oh! Good call. The guy looks like Godzilla, King of the Monster. Godzilla is strong than you Empire figures there. So, anyways, guys. Godzilla is strong than you Empire. The guy looks like Rodan. Iyon na. A very long time, I guess. Okay. Gonna wait for him. Oh my god, stop! Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness, I hate it. You know what? Wait for me. Okay, now wait for him. Okay, it's been here for 42 minutes. Because of him, he tried to trying to fall. Oh my goodness. They're always falling. Stop falling or else. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Is that a bone for doggies? Guy looks like a pepperoni, I think is. I'm going to eat a pizza again. Okay. I like this pizza, I think. It's probably 30 out of 10. Ah my goodness. The guy looks like oh my goodness, it takes so long. What the heck? Do not fall! Do not fall! Oh! Stop it, huh? Oh! Brother, just do like this. What the heck? What the heck is wrong with this boy? Oh my goodness, my brother just do it. Okay. What the heck? Do not touch it. Oh! Stop doing that! Always do that. Stop pushing me. You almost died. Stop pushing me alright. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's difficult. Oh my goodness. Nah. Difficult. What the heck is wrong with this? Oh my goodness, wait, hold on. Okay. Okay guys. I made it. What the heck? Nice. Oh my goodness, it's hard. Oh my goodness, it's so hard. Oh my goodness, it's so hard. This game is so hard. Oh, it's easy. I'm gonna wait for him, okay? I'm believing him. What? Okay. On. Oh my gosh, I hate this. He made it, guys. He made it. Oh wait, hold on. Wait, I'm gonna go to the hole. Wait, hold on. Wait for me. Hey. Oh my goodness, what is wrong with you? Stop it. Stop. I'm gonna wait for it. Okay. Goodbye. I don't believe I can fly. I don't believe I can know what to say. Okay, guys, we're made it to the disappear stairs, the event disappear stairs. So, anyways, guys, I'm not gonna I made it to the stairs, guys. So, anyways, guys, that's a good idea ever. So, anyways, guys, that's good. Level 99. Okay, guys, so level 99. We're gonna get 200. So, anyways, guys, that's a good idea. This is an easy mode, guys. I've ever seen because Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. So I don't want to end up there this video. Wow, look at bonus basis in our education learning. That's me, guys. So, welcome to bonus basis education learning. That's me, guys. That is good. Okay, guys. I'm not going to just map this game. So anyways, guys. No! Oh my goodness, they also ruined my creation thing. Oh my goodness. They always ruin the creation. They also ruined thing. I'm so slow, guys. I'm so slow, guys. I'm not scared. Only got 19 hours. 19 hours I think is. Okay. Level 200. 206 award. Yes! 2 bucks! Yes! Not too much, guys. So anyways, guys, I'm not gonna end up there, but I need to just see. I need speed. So anyways, guys, I like this game for a while, guys. So anyways, guys, that's a good idea ever. This is easy mode, guys. So anyways, guys, let's end up there this video. So anyways, guys, don't miss my videos. I'll try to shoot like a subscribe. So anyways, guys, I'll go to beat this game, guys. So I just beat this game for a while. So anyways, guys.